Ever wished you could enjoy your favorite Neon shows offline? Maybe on a long flight, a road trip, or just to save data? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we're diving deep into how to download content on Neon and finally watch your shows on the go. Neon is a fantastic streaming service with a huge library of movies and TV shows. But what if you're not always connected to Wi-Fi? That's where downloading comes in handy. It allows you to enjoy your favorite content anytime, anywhere, even without an internet connection. Step-by-step guide. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Here's how to download on Neon. Find your show. Browse Neon and find the show or movie you want to download. Click on the show or movie. Check for download availability. Not all content is available for download. Look for the download icon. It usually looks like an arrow pointing downwards. If the icon is present, the content can be downloaded. Start the download. Click on the download icon. Neon will start downloading the content to your device. Manage your downloads. To see your downloads, go to the Downloads section of the Neon app. Here, you can view all your downloaded content. Remove downloads to free up space. Pause or resume downloads. Watch offline. Once the download is complete, you can watch the content offline. Simply go to the Downloads section and select the show or movie you want to watch. Tips and troubleshooting. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Storage space. Downloads can take up a significant amount of storage space. Make sure you have enough free space on your device before starting a download. Wi-Fi connection. Downloading over Wi-Fi is recommended to avoid using up your mobile data. Troubleshooting. If you're having trouble downloading, try restarting the Neon app and your device. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have enough storage space. Downloading content on Neon is a simple process that allows you to enjoy your favorite shows and movies offline. With these tips, you can easily download and watch your favorite content anytime, anywhere. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.